So, hello English learners. As we all know that every day I'm talking about one specific topic, and yes, so our today's topic is the significance of mental health awareness. Yes, so most of the time we listen that word like mental health awareness. So, what do you understand by mental health awareness? So, mental health awareness is very important in our life. Mental health awareness it means like simply means like it affects our thoughts, behavior, feeling, our mood. Okay, all the things it affect mental health. What do you understand by mental health? Mental health awareness means like if we are not going to focus on it, we are going to get all these types of problem in our life, like anxiety, stress, uh, and emotional blackmail, or like these type of problem we are getting if we are not fit mentally. Okay, so significance of mental health awareness it means like what is the mental health and how it is going to affect our life, and how what are the precautions we are going to take to just save or just prevent ourselves with the mental health. So first, mental health means like every mental health means like we are not good, we don't have good feeling, we are not feeling good, or we are feeling stress. This is called the mental health. If like someone is saying like I'm mentally disturbed, what is the mean of mentally disturbed? This is simply means like he is not good in his mind, in his brain, because someone is torturing, or he has lots of pressure of work or anything. So he is saying like I am mentally disturbed, please leave me alone. If someone is saying please leave me alone, what does it mean? It means he want a space, peaceful space. He wants a peaceful space where he can communicate with him. So first we understand what is mental health. Mental health means if you are feeling well, if your emotions are good, you are mentally fit. Like suppose if you are going to ask me, how are you right now? So I am well. I am feeling well. So I am mentally fit because I know what is mental health. And like other thing, if someone is not fit, mentally good, okay, so it means he is suffering from any problem, he has lots of challenges in life, or any type of challenges it may be. Okay, like he is in depression, in anger, or any type of things he is suffering from. So it means he is not mentally well. So we don't have to just hide this. Okay, we have to just communicate with the people to just understand what are the solutions of this mental health. Yes, because most of the time what happen if someone is just mentally disturbed, he is not going to talk with someone. So how anyone can suggest him like what are the actions you can take to just fit, mentally fit? You can't give any suggestions, you can't give anything. So what we have to do, first we know what is mental health, and the second thing, what are the problems we are going to get if not mentally well, and what are the solutions. Solution is to just talk with the people and talk with professionals, just communicate what are the problems you are getting and what are the solutions of that problem. So like one thing, if someone is torturing you, if there are some pressures and you are feeling disturbed, you are feeling stress inside you, you are not going to talk with someone, so you will be not mentally fit, you will be mentally disturbed. So you have to talk, you have to communicate with people like yes, this type of challenges I am getting, and I am not able to proceed with that type of situation. So most of the people are saying like this is the toxic culture, and I am mentally disturbed in this. It means like they don't like the culture, they don't like the task. most of the people are working in companies, if they are getting some pressure, he is not mentally well, he is not going to do anything with peacefully. So mental health is very important, because if you are working in your life, if you are doing business, if you are doing work, if you are not mentally well, it means everything is useless. So just be mentally well, communicate with people, whatever the problems you are getting in your life, there is a solution of every problem. Just we have to ask for the solution. What is the solution? Okay, so thanks for today. I hope you got some knowledge about the mental health awareness, and tomorrow we are going to learn any other topic. So thanks for today.